Changing the speeds on the Wacker Neuson mid-frame skid and track loaders is a simple process. The machine, when you start it up and disengage your parking brake, automatically defaults to the turtle mode or the slow speed mode. Sometimes you like to go a little faster, getting across a job site or increase your cycle efficiency, that we can get it into rabbit mode. So it's very simple. At the upper left-hand button, you simply press it and it changes on the display over to the rabbit mode. Displays a large rabbit for about 3 seconds and then the display goes back to normal, but the upper left-hand corner of the display will still show the rabbit. Go back into the turtle mode. It's very simple to press the button. Again, the display is going to show a large turtle in the center, a smaller turtle in the upper left-hand corner, and goes back to normal in the center. I'm going to switch into a snail mode now. So if I want to get to snail or a creep mode and achieve a maximum speed with full joystick travel, what you do is simply take the lower left-hand button on the joystick, hold it down, and my display changes over to a snail, picture of a snail with a scale on it for percentage of the turtle mode. So we can go 0 to 60% of the turtle mode speed. This is adjustable, so if I want to increase, towards the higher end and get towards that 60% at full stick, I incrementally bump this pop button up. If I want to decrease the speed, more finesse, finer movements, again, trenching, some of those other applications, cold planer that may require full speed without full finessing of the sticks. If you go back to normal operation with loading or handling materials, you simply hold the lower left button down for about 3 seconds. The display flashes into the turtle mode and returns to normal.